Welcome back to 6 Points of Everything. Today we're diving into the hidden dangers of something that's become a huge part of our lives, social media. Social media can keep us connected, informed, and entertained, but it also comes with some real, often hidden downsides. Today we'll uncover 6 surprising dangers of social media and how they can affect our lives. Let's get started. Number 1. Increased anxiety and depression. Research shows that heavy use of social media is linked to higher levels of anxiety, depression, and loneliness. Why? Social media often creates a space where we constantly compare ourselves to others, their vacations, new cars, seemingly perfect relationships, and filtered photos can make our lives dull. Avoid falling into this trap. Try taking breaks from social media. Limit your usage. Unfollow accounts that make you feel bad about yourself, and remember that most people only post their highlights, not the whole picture. Number 2. Distorted body image and unrealistic beauty standards. Next up, social media often promotes unrealistic beauty standards. Filters, photo editing, and cosmetic enhancements have become so common that it's easy to feel like we don't measure up. This is especially true for younger people who are growing up in a world where perfect images are the norm. If you're comparing your appearance to influencers or edited photos, remind yourself that many of these images are highly curated and edited. Follow accounts that promote body positivity and diversity instead. It's important to remember that real beauty comes in all shapes and forms. Number 3. Sleep disruption. The blue light emitted from our screens interferes with our body's production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. When we're on our phones or other devices before bed, it can be harder to fall asleep, leading to poor sleep quality and fatigue the next day. A simple solution is to set a tech-free time an hour before bed. Use this time to read, meditate, or journal instead. It can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep. Number 4. Addiction to validation, likes and follows. Social media is designed to keep us coming back for more likes, comments, and shares, giving us a dopamine rush, a feel-good chemical in the brain. Over time, this can become addictive, making us reliant on social media for self-esteem and validation. To avoid this trap, try to separate your self-worth from social media feedback. Limit the time you spend checking for notifications, and remember that likes and follows don't define your value as a person. Number 5. Privacy concerns and data collection. One of the biggest dangers of social media is the way it tracks and collects our personal data. Many social media platforms collect information on everything from our search history to our location and browsing habits. This data is often used to personalize ads, but it can also feel invasive, especially when we consider how much companies know about us. To protect your privacy, review the privacy settings on each of your social media accounts and disable unnecessary permissions. Be mindful of what personal information you share, and remember that anything posted online can potentially be seen by a wider audience than intended. Number 6. FOMO, fear of missing out, and mental strain. When we see our friends or influencers traveling, attending events, or trying new things, it can make us feel like we're missing out. FOMO is a major source of stress and can make us feel dissatisfied with our own lives. One way to manage FOMO is to remind yourself that social media is only a highlight reel. Take a moment to appreciate your own life and achievements. Practicing gratitude can help shift the focus away from what others are doing and bring attention back to what you're grateful for in your own life. So, there you have it. 6 hidden dangers of social media that can impact your mental and emotional well-being. From anxiety and sleep problems to privacy concerns and FOMO, these issues remind us that while social media has its perks, it's important to use it mindfully. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. And let us know in the comments, what social media habit do you think you'll work on changing? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on 6 Points of Everything.